So what we'll do in this tute is make a simple Hello World application. Okay, so just click on your Android Studio. Now file, new project. We need this one, empty activity. Change its name to Hello World and click on finish. What I'll suggest you is if you're using Android Studio, your minimum RAM configuration should be 4 GB. You can check your RAM configuration by right clicking on this PC, properties. Here it is, installed RAM. Okay. Now after your Gradle build and everything is finished, you'll see this window. This is activity underscore main.xml. In this you'll do the designing part, and this is .java in which you'll you like code what will the app and its designing will do. Okay, first click on .xml, delete all this, we don't need it. Right, relative layout, I'll explain this relative layout afterwards. Okay, close the tag. Now this is showing red because it needs two parameters, that is width and height. See required. So height, make it match parent. Width, make it match parent. Then make a simple text view. Width, match parent. Give it an ID. View. Okay, now go to your Java. First, initialize it. Text view, let's name it T. Okay, small text view. Now we need to register this text view so that this and the XML one are related. Okay, so text view is equal to find view by ID dot ID dot the name what we've given in the XML one, that is view. Okay, then text view dot set text hello world. Click on this run. Make sure your Android device is connected and it is shown here. Click on it and OK. Okay, once the indexing is done, it's installing the APK. Okay, so this is our Hello World application.